Hello super kids, what's up? Today we're going to learn about earthquakes. So let's get started. Earthquake. Earthquake is a natural disaster. When an earthquake occurs, the ground shakes. The location under the earth where an earthquake starts is called the hypocenter. The point on the earth's surface where directly above the place where the earthquake starts is called epicenter. Earthquakes are recorded by an instrument called seismograph. This recording is called seismogram. The strength or magnitudes of an earthquake is measured by the Richter scale. Damage. An earthquake can cause a little destruction, but when it's a great one, it can cause severe damage. Buildings collapse, trees fall down, bridges break, and also can cause death. There may be fire because of the slipping of electrical wires, and floods because of the breakage of dams. Effects due to earthquake. Due to the earthquake, we all had to experience the sad days of losing our loved ones. But if we follow some precautions, there is hope that we can save everybody. Now let's see what are these precautions and how will they help us. Precautions. If you are outside, move into an open area away from buildings and trees. If you are inside a building, do not try to run. Drop down and crawl under a strong table or bed to protect you from falling objects. Try to keep the doors open so that you can get out whenever you want to. Never use lifts in case of an earthquake. Always use the stairs. Lifts may not work if the wire cuts and you may get trapped inside. Large parts of India are prone to earthquakes. The regions that face the greatest risk include the Himalayan region, parts of Gujarat and Bihar. A massive earthquake in Gujarat on 26th January 2001 caused severe devastation. About 20,000 people died. Many were rendered homeless and lost many of their belongings. After earthquakes, people had to live in tents for many weeks till they can build their houses again. The study of earthquakes is called seismology. Instruments called seismographs record the shaking of land. The intensity of an earthquake is measured by 1 to 10 on a Richter scale. While constructing buildings and bridges, care must be taken to see that the designs are earthquake resistant. Such buildings and bridges sway but do not collapse. Thank you.